Well, good afternoon my friends, welcome back to the channel, where today I've come out to what is regarded as one of the most scenic, if not most beautiful routes up Snowdon. And if you like waterfalls, it's easy to see why, and I'm about to show you why. Welcome to the Watkin path. Okay, so excuse me, we've come up through the beginning of the woods, and even in these woods you can see there's some nice little cascades, but that's nothing to what will appear once we get through into the opening where the longest stretch of the first waterfall appears. Stay tuned. Lovely little old ruin, and tripod catching that branch. Just over here we have the main longest falls, but as you've seen we've had some beautiful cascades already. We're going to be going right up further on the top up there and beyond towards the Gladstone Rock where there'll be some more, so I'll pick you up again soon. So I've moved away from the water now, which you can still see hopefully behind me over there, just so it's you can hear me a bit easier. I'm sure you agree those waterfalls are quite stunning. Now where we were earlier down by the Clapper Bridge, that is the honeypot shot that everybody and anybody takes. I've said before, it's no problem taking honeypot shots so long as you move on and have a look, you know, and do your others. Understandable if you're a holidaymaker just coming here. But I know a lot of North Wales based photographers that still take the same old shot. I've taken one today. Yep. Different conditions, but as you've seen earlier on in the video and with the photos, I've also taken shots that not many other people do take for some reason. Maybe they're just drawn because it is beautiful. Yes, of course it is, but there you go. What I was going to talk about today, I'm going to revisit an old friend because it's crept up a few times recently, and that's clickbait, but more so clickbait on YouTube thumbnails. Some are quite funny, I'm sure you agree. You would have seen loads yourself, but do they actually work? That's the question. Well, you'd have to say yes, they do, I suppose. Now, I'm not going to fall into that trap. It's just against the principle, you know, because simply if I see a clickbait title and in the past where I have clicked on it, I'm not going to revisit that site again. Yeah, I'm sure you've seen these clickbait titles on the thumbnails. And we're a gullible species, aren't we, as humans? So we will click on it. But you've seen some of them amusing, as I say. The funniest one I've seen is why 97% of YouTubers fail. I don't know about you, but I didn't even know it was a bloody exam. You know, in that case, I failed. But I don't give a shit, as you probably gathered by now. I'm not here to try and win friends, get into hundreds or thousands of subscribers. That's not me. Nice small channel, keep it that way. Every subscriber I have, I hope you're here because you want to watch the video and where I am. Otherwise, there's no point subscribing. So I want at least the same amount of views as I got subscribers for me. I've seen channels where they've got 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 subscribers, and they're not even getting half that viewers. Something's wrong there. I know there's algorithms and all that, yeah, before you say anything, but no, keep it small for me. I started this channel for my Facebook friends, but I'm doing it on YouTube. Reason being 4K, and we all know what Facebook does to our photos, videos. So, but it is on YouTube, so anybody on the planet can accidentally stumble across, and that's fine. So anybody who's not on my Facebook friend but are following me, thank you very much, and I hope you're here for the right reasons, which I'm sure you are, because you wouldn't have been here otherwise. So thank you. But the clickbait titles, yes, they are funny, aren't they? 97% fail. That's crazy. But you've seen them yourself. The 10 tips that YouTube beginners or photography beginners make. And you go in, have a look. Well, you used to anyway. Don't forget your camera. Recharge your batteries. Hang on a minute. Clickbait, but you've done it, haven't you? The only lens you're ever going to need. Now, some of them are pretty good, obviously, but yeah, and that's debatable. Just like this, a matter of opinion, isn't it? And we all vary, as we know. Yeah. Is this the best view ever? Epic view. You have a look, and you think, well, yeah, it's okay. It's quite nice. And then you watch the next one, and this is the next epic view, until the next video, and the next video after that. So sometimes it's a bit monotonous and you think, yeah, you know what, I'm not really into that. What other ones? I'm sure you've seen loads yourself, but you get the gist where I'm saying. Not on the best rock here. Didn't even know my camera did this. Arrow, stupid face. You know, it's all gimmicky. And then you go in, what's that camera not done? What, autofocus? Yeah, okay, I'm being a bit sarcastic, as always. No, but yeah, I mean, I get why they do it, obviously. Me, not interested, but if you're trying to build a channel and it gets the views, hey, job done, eh? That's what it's about. Personally, yeah, I don't do that, as you know. In fact, my most clickbaity title to date, funnily enough, has got the most views, and it's Seek and You Shall Find, and it's about waterfalls. And it literally was what I said, because I hadn't been before. I followed the stream up and I found it, so it was connected. It wasn't any of these stupid hidden or secrets or stupid stuff like that. No, it was connected to it, and that's it. But it had over double the amount of views I had. So it just shows, yes, I asked the question, do clickbait titles on thumbnails work? You'd have to say yes, they do. I'm not going to do it though, no. You audience that I've got, my Facebook friends and the passers-by that like something or other that I'm doing, the scenery, my points of view, whatever it is, thank you for that. But you can enjoy what you can. I could put the I don't know what I could title this of, but to make it more, I'm not going to. It's just going to be Waterfalls of the Watkin path. There you go. So anyway, there'll be a selection of photos up at the end as per usual. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been a short one today. I haven't taken that many photos, to be honest, and a little bit of drone flying. So what I will do though, because I've been here before, the photos that I've taken from these places around here that I haven't taken tonight, I'll find, so you'll have different weather conditions, probably bright blue sky. I'll put one or two of them up and find them on this vlog, just so you can see a few different places here. Okay, so that said, I will be back with you in about 2 or 3 weeks time, as usual, wherever it may take us. Until then, I just want to say thank you very much for watching as usual. Stay safe, have fun. Until next time, bye. Thank you. Just on my way back down the path now. Sun's going down. Oh, 2 clouds. Nice, give nice definition. That's lovely over there. Look at the colours there. I know it's on the phone this rather than the little Osmo, because the phone picks the colours up better than the Osmo.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.